Sa tanong mo, may sagot ako. Welcome to Miss V and NZ. Question: What is CGFNS? Answer: CGFNS verifies and authenticates documents, education and professional credentials, and nursing employment. More details up next. Kia ora, Binibining Veronica here. At the moment, I am inviting everyone to participate in a poll question, so please check out the community tab. I want to know what you want to see next on my video, and the poll ends on March 31, 2021. Alternatively, if you are a member of our Inner Circle Notes by Veronica, then you can also cast your vote there. And so you finally decided that 2021 is the year that you'll start your NZRN application. Congratulations! So first step is to submit all your documents to CGFNS. So what is CGFNS? It is a credential verification organization. And actually, if you've started an application in the US or even thought about it initially, you may be familiar with this organization. Here in New Zealand, when I started my application back in 2010, 2011, I didn't actually have to submit through CGFNS because at that time, we submit all our documents directly to Nursing Council of New Zealand. But obviously, as you would imagine, it kind of takes time to review all documents, make sure that the education qualification meets the criteria for Nursing Council, and again, it takes a lot of time to verify that the document that they're looking at is genuine. So from October 2019, they actually sought help from CGFNS, and now all the required documents has to go through CGFNS first. So the specific service is Credential Verification Service for New Zealand. For the CVS-NCNZ, CGFNS receives, reviews, and retains all documents submitted by the international applicant. And that includes identity documents, educational transcripts and academic verification forms, license, registration verification, employment verification, and English language test results. CVS-NCNZ via CGFNS ensures that all the documents that they receive are authentic, and that all documents are submitted to the Nursing Council of New Zealand along with their verification report. Who must apply to CVS NCNZ? Well, all nurses educated outside of New Zealand has to go through CGFNS with the exception of Australian-trained nurses. This is because of the Trans-Tasman Mutual Recognition Act 1997. And if ever this video gets 50 likes, I will actually talk more about the registration process if you are an Australian nurse wanting to become a New Zealand nurse, and vice versa if you are a New Zealand nurse wanting to become an Australian nurse. So in my experience, I have obtained my nursing license in New Zealand first, and then eventually I applied for my Australian registration nurse as well. If you are enjoying this video, then please don't forget to supplement, subscribe, like, and comment. Salamat po! If you still have an open application with Nursing Council New Zealand from before October 14, 2019, you don't need to apply to CVS NCNZ. Now, next question, how do I apply for the CVS NCNZ? Well, first you have to create a CGFNS account, complete your profile, and you have to make sure you check your eligibility against Nursing Council standards. I will write a link below so that you'll be more familiar of the council requirements. And then the next step will be placing an order sa CVS NCNZ, and obviously, ang bayad, it costs $300 US. And just remember that the CGFNS fee is different from the Nursing Council registration fee, which is about 485 New Zealand dollars at the moment. What documents do you have to submit? So that would include your proof of your identity, your education, your employment history, your license, and English proficiency. I've already created a video on how to become a registered nurse in New Zealand and specifically talked about those documents in detail. So if you haven't checked that out already, then please feel free to do so. And if you are a nurse wanting to build a career abroad, I've also created a free notes and planner for you to help you get started, diba? Para mas organize ang planning mo. I'll write the link below. Feel free to check that out. I hope it can help with your application process and with your planning for your future and for the future of your family. On our next video, we'll talk about how long it takes for CGFNS to review your documents and how you can authorize them to send the report to Nursing Council. So make sure you hit the notification bell so you will know when I upload new videos just like this one. For now, I wish you all the best with your journey and I hope you will be blessed. I'll see you soon. Bye! Question: how long does CVS-NCNZ take? Answer: